Hi instructor, this is Fernando and I want to show you my Node app for this lesson. Here we go. So I have four, I don't know, contact indexed here, as you can. So you can see my application is rendered in this platform, and this is a link I want to show you that is working. So using the endpoint slash contact, it show all the contents that I have in my database. Voila, this is a text. What I need to show you in this, in my rest. So, first of all, send, and I am getting all the content. If I try clicking an ID, okay, which I mean that person really. Now I am using the endpoint update the link. Well, so it's based that contact. I want to use the same. I'm sorry. Oh, I will add my a new name. Let's see. New and name. Okay. So I need to change to post. I'm sorry. Put. Okay. So this is my status. As you can see that I'm updated in my database. Okay, as you can see, is updated. Let me show you now with add new contact. Oh, this is a contact that I want to add using the poll. Contact. I'm sorry, I need to delete this. It. Okay, so right here is sending the ID for the new contact from database. Here again. Okay, adding the new contact. Mm, I'm sorry. So this is my new contact. Finally, I'm going to delete this contact. I am using this delete. Maybe I should not use uh, in this way, but for testing and to recognize and know what I was doing, I did it in this way. So I'm going to copy, paste. So contact deleted. Let's see again if it's here or not. Okay. So let me show you my routes. Okay. Two routes for getting the contacts and one for sending a new contact. This one for the this for delete. This is my REST file. I don't know how why my .rest file look like your document, but these are roles, or you can use browser.